Welcome to my classroom. Nothing is better than seeing the smile and pride on my student's face, who created something original, or shared a new idea. My students have multiple opportunities to work in groups, or alone, with digital and non-digital tools. My students have the time to work through a practiced process, where they know the objective, and have a clear understanding of how they will be evaluated. First, I pose a question, task or challenge to my students. They then ask, what is the problem? How have others approached it? What resources do I have, and what are my constraints? Then I ask my students to imagine, what are some solutions? What resources, knowledge or tools will they need? And what path should they try first? My students then begin to plan. They ask, what techniques will be useful? What materials will I need? Who can I collaborate with? And what challenges may I face? My students then create. In doing so, they follow their plan. They write, design and build. They work within their timeline and then share their product and ideas. My students then look to make improvements. They will see if they reached their objective. Reflect on feedback from myself and classmates. They will compare their work to the exemplar and see if it can be made better. For my students to feel successful, they may go through this process, where they critically think, collaborate, redesign and innovate multiple times. I make this possible by planning with my co-workers, determining a focus objective, selecting or creating an assessment, and matching it to an authentic student experience. I ask my students to create a product or new idea. I provide them a range of technologies to select from, and ensure they can have a platform to share what they made or learned. How do your students create and learn? Use the DLE continuum to determine your level of original work. www.dlecontinuum.com